Blah blam, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a digestive enhancing smoothie. So last night I went to see our client, the G League Ignite play here in Las Vegas, and I had something I don't usually eat, a potato taquito, not the worst thing in the world, but it was a little harsh on the stomach. Fried foods can do that. Anything that may be too heavy or very acidic can be hard on the stomach. So if you need something that's easy to digest and light, but also nutrient dense and honestly tastes really, really good. It's got papaya, it's got banana, it's got almond butter, it's got, what else did I put in there? I put a lot of things in there. Anyway, check it out. You're gonna love it, I promise. You can adjust the portions, the quantities to, if you want it a little bit more liquidy or more thick, you can adjust the amount of liquid you use. But try this out, I bet you're gonna love it. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. That's good, that's like 4 gulps. Check it out and more, ChefKas.com. Follow all their socials, ChefKas. And any questions, guys, I'd love to help you out. Always feel free to hit me up. Blah, blah. Kaz out.